Golf Drug Performance Management System is working in the following way. All the goals will be created for employees by their managers. So let's say if you are a line manager, then the goals created for you will be coming from the head of department. If you are an individual employee, then again the goals will be coming from your immediate manager. And we will show in this video how the line manager is going to share the assignments with his or her subordinates through the system. We are accessing the account from line manager. With line manager credentials, we will need to go to navigator, about me, goals. Here, the line manager, in section called My Goals, will be able to see all the goals that were created for his unit by the head of department. This is the starting point for the line manager to decide what is going to be delegated to his subordinates. Before the line manager decides to delegate a relevant goals to subordinates, if he decides so, because there are two options. You may keep the goals only to yourself as a line manager and work on it individually without cascading it further. But if you wish to delegate the goal further and work on it together with your team, then you would need to click on the button on the right, and you would need to click on Share. Share means that the employees will understand that a particular goal was shared with them. This is not making them accountable for the assignment yet. It's just more of a FYI for their information, to understand that they have an assignment to work on together with you. Here, the line manager would need to decide who the goals need to be shared with, and here the line manager will be able to select either direct reports or even search a person within the system and share this goal with a colleague from another department, for example, if they're supposed to work on it together. Mostly you will need to select direct reports, and then from here you will be able to select who is supposed to work with you on this particular assignment given to you by the head of department. Once you added all the employees, you can save and close and click OK. Now you will see the sign, which means that you shared the goal with relevant subordinates, and they will also receive notification about that. By clicking on this icon, you can see who you shared the goal with. So, since you shared this goal with 2 employees, you will need to let them know what exactly they need to do to help you with this unit goal achievement. In order to do so, the line manager would need to go to My Team and further create assignments for the team members who he or she shared this goal with. Go to My Team Goals. And here you will see the 2 employees who report to this line manager. In order to let this line manager delegate the initial goal shown in the unit goal, he will need to decide what each employee will do to contribute to that goal. He would then click on Mustafa as the first employee who he shared the first goal with, and he would add a new goal to him. Why do we need that? We need that to make the initial unit goal smaller, because this is the individual assignment that you would like Mustafa to perform as your subordinate. Another assignment would be given to his colleague, and so on. So this is what we call goal cascading. So it does not mean that overall unit goal that you need to achieve and report to your head of department will be done by individual employee, right? Here you are delegating it further, cascading it further. That is why we will need to create assignments for both employees who you have just shared the goals with as a line manager. So if you remember, our departmental goal for the department was reducing RFQ response rate by 30%. Then for your unit, for the line manager, it was reducing RFQ response time by 10%. And here for an individual employee, we have reduced it up to down to 5%, which means that the individual employee obviously needs to contribute with less effort, because it is further cascaded to him for achievement. It's just an example. In reality, again, you would be giving smaller assignments or smaller pieces that would contribute to the overall departmental goal. Once again, any manager would need to specify the category of the goal as well as the deadlines here and the weightages. We have given various tasks to this employee, so we need to make sure they comprise 100%, and we put weights everywhere. Once you are done with creating the goal for your team member, you would need to click Save and Close once again. Click Save and Close. Okay, so this particular employee now will have one more assignment to work on, and if you would like to align his goal with your own, with the unit goal, you would need to do the following. Click on the right and click Align. Here the line managers need to be careful, because they are line managers. They do not need to select organization goals. They always need to select manager shared goals or head of department shared goals, because you would like, as a line manager, you would like to link your staff with unit goals, not departmental goals. That's why it's important to select here manager shared goals. Since our goal was related to reducing RFQ response time, and Mustafa will be contributing to it by only 5%, you would need to select the relevant goal and click Align. And now the goals were aligned. By clicking on this icon or seeing this icon means that you have aligned the goals, and now we will show what again goal alignment means and how it can bring value to you as a line manager. Click on goal alignment, and here you will be able to see how your subordinate contributes to a unit goal, which is 10%, as well as what the departmental goal was. This is what goal alignment is, and this is how cascading of goals works, in case you would like, or a unit manager would like to delegate the tasks to his team members.